Welcome to my class, dear my students. I'm so glad to see you again, and I think that our lesson will be so funny and so entertaining because our today's topic is quite familiar with you because our topic is called healthy and unhealthy foods. So, why I'm telling telling this very funny and entertaining because we consume healthy and unhealthy foods on a daily basis, right? That's why I think you already get acquainted with this theme by eating that kind of foods, right? That's why I told you this our lesson would be very entertaining because in this lesson we're gonna learn not only we're gonna learn more in depth about healthy and unhealthy foods, but also we will play different games and fun activities about healthy and unhealthy foods. Okay, so before we start our lesson, I'm going to show you a number of pictures which are related to our today's topic. Okay, so in the first lesson, in the first picture, please raise your left hand if this one of the objects in this picture is unhealthy food, and please raise your right hand if this one of the objects in this picture is healthy food. Okay, if you are ready, we can start now. So this looks like a hamburger, right? And could you tell me whether it is harmful to our health or not? And most of you raised your left hand. I think you consider this food as a harmful, right? Okay, probably you are right. You will see about this later. Okay, this is candy. Is candy is harmful to our health or not? Okay, harmful, right? Chips, cheese. It looks like cheese chips, right? So cheese is savory and salty and very delicious. Why do you think most of you think that this is a unhealthy food? Why? Please, can you tell me? Okay, because they are fried, right? Okay, and different genetically modified foods are also added to that kind of foods, right? Okay, egg is helpful to our health or not? Yes, this is 50-50. No. I think that this is very helpful to our health because it makes us stronger, right? If we eat regularly and not much as well. Okay, shrimp. Shrimp is a seafood, and of course this is also very important to our health. All right, and carrot. Vegetables also very important to our health, of course. Pumpkin, right? And what about savory and even salty and very scrumptious? What is called? Can you tell me? Can you describe? This is steak, right? Okay, this is called steak, and the steak is both delicious, both helpful, and also harmful to our health if we consume much, right? Okay, and slice it. I think this is a sliced beef. Sliced beef is helpful, right? Okay, and most of us eat them on a daily basis, right? Not on a daily basis, or in the especially occasions such as when we go to a theater or cinema. We usually eat popcorn, carbonated drinks, or we usually call them as fizzy drinks, right? Or even we consume them on the streets, right? So corn sticks, chocolate bars are harmful to our health or not? Oh, if this is harmful, why do you think this is harmful? Because it's hard to consume and different ingredients usually add foods in order to be more delicious, in order to be more savory, in order to be more scrumptious, right? That's why I think they are very dangerous to our health. Okay. Next question. So, which, if it harms to all of them are very hard to us, is the harmful to our health system, what we are supposed to do? We should stop eating them, or we should minimize it? What do you think? Okay. Alright. Guys, maybe you are wondered why this box is standing from the beginning of the class, right? Okay, I'll open the secret, okay? Or I'll tell the secret, okay? Alright, this is actually our gift box, or we can also call this as a present box. In this box, we can find that kind of mini prizes, mini gifts. What you should do is to pick up one of them one by one, okay, one by one, and you will open it up. Then we will open it up and find the word inside of this mini gift, and then you will fill in this table, okay? Then you have to check whether this word is adjective or phrasal verb or noun, okay, by putting the click button. All right, if you understand this task, in that case you can start now. So in today's lesson we're gonna learn about linking words, right? So for the reason actually, and if you look at the first structure, as you can see, the because, linking word because, is connecting two different ideas, I mean two different sentences, okay? Here, and you usually use because when the reason is quite important, okay? You got it? For example, she doesn't have any complaint about her health because she regularly goes to the gym, okay? In the second structure, if the reason is already known, in that case we usually use linking word as in the middle of two different sentences, okay? All right. For example, as she goes to gym every day, she doesn't complain about her health, okay? As she goes to the gym every day, she doesn't complain about her health. And in the third structure, as you can see, as a result of something, when we say about as a result of something, we usually use because of structure. And in this structure, we should pay attention one thing. After using because of structure, we should use only noun, or we can also use gerunde as a noun, okay? For example, she doesn't complain about her health because of going to gym on a daily basis, or we can also say that, or because of regular exercises on a daily basis. Do you understand me? Okay. And the fourth structure, if we say about the result of or from something, in that case we usually use this structure by using due to, okay? In order to do this, we put the first sentence, then we will add due to structure, then due to a linking word, then we will add noun after due to linking word, okay? For example, her health problem is due to the lack of regular exercises. Okay, if you understand me very well, in that case we can turn to our next task.